Awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me on here. I'm Bella Steckity, broker sales manager with Heartland National. I'll be your direct point of contact for really anything you need moving forward. So my goal today is kind of to help you to navigate the agent portal, where to find some useful resources, tips, tools, whatever that may be, and then also going through some of the main highlights and features of the plans that we have to offer. Jesse, anything you want to add here?
My name is Jesse Porter. I'm with Heartland Financial Group. I am the health production consultant. So if you need anything, feel free to reach out to me. We got Bella here from Heartland National Life. She does a great job presenting these products with Heartland National Life. And these products are great to fill those gaps left by Medicare Advantage. With that, Bella, you want to go ahead and kick it off?
Awesome, absolutely. Well, thank you for having me again. This is the dashboard of our agent portal. So walking you through where to find a couple of things. This is where you'll see all of your current sales. You can go down to recent commissions, look at your recent business. This needs review tab will show you if you do have any policies that maybe are pending lapse, if a payment didn't go through, or maybe it has fully lapsed. So you need to figure out what to do from there to get that policy reinstated. That's all outlined from this dashboard page. Quick links down here is where you'll find our e-apps. So the online applications for each of our products. Home health care, cancer, heart attack, and stroke, or annuity, multi-year guaranteed annuity, Medicare supplement, and hospital indemnity as well. Up here, you can register for some of our health webinars. So I'll show you some QR codes as well and explain what those calls really mean. Going over to the supplies tab over here on the left-hand side, you can select the state that you're selling in, and it'll pull up all of the products that are available in that state. So Alabama, you see we have 4 here. If you go down to Colorado, we only have 3. We don't have the home health care available. So this will help you to kind of outline exactly what you have to offer in what state. Variations can be a little bit different per state, so this will also help you if you are trying to figure out if there's any benefit variations between the different states that you're selling in. When you click these drop-down tabs, you'll find a variety of marketing materials here. Our brochure, you can look at rate sheets, availability map, paper application packets, and then any forms that you may need for claims. You can download online copies of these. So if you want to take a look at the brochure, maybe print off your own copy, you're welcome to do so. And that'll pull that up here if my computer finishes loading. Maybe not, but that's okay. Then you can also request that physical materials are shipped to you. So if you would like maybe 15 copies of brochures to have with you to hand out to clients in person, you can select a quantity over here. Say we put in 15, and then you'll submit the order at the top. That sends the order to our agency services team. They will quickly get your supplies order shipped out and make sure that everything's sent to you using the address that we have for you in the agent portal. Contact Us tab. This will bring up all of the contact information that you really could possibly need. You'll see your sales and marketers up here at the top. Bella Steckity, that's my name. You should see that at the top of your agent portal as well. You'll see my picture and contact information there. For agents, we'll have agency services. They're a great resource if you need help with commissions, getting licensing information, if you need to maybe pay a pre-appointment state before you write in it, whatever that may be, agency services is a great resource to you. Customers, looking at the customer service phone number that if you need to call to maybe revise a plan, if you're dropping off a benefit, so on and so forth, customer service can help you out there. And then looking at health, if you are submitting claims, this will outline the mailing addresses. If you need to talk to new business, maybe about a misspelling on an application, you can email them here. This will really just outline all of the contact information you could need. And of course, anything you're unsure who to contact or what to do, you can always bring that directly to me. And if it's not something I handle directly, I'll make sure to get you connected with the right people. So going back to the dashboard page, I'll come over to this training resources tab. This will be a really great resource to you. It's going to outline recorded training videos for each of our products, home healthcare, hospital indemnity, CHAS. We have the Agent Advantage calls up here as well. That's our weekly Wednesday call for overcoming objections, and then our multi-year guaranteed annuity basics training as well. So we have the recorded videos. If you navigate over to the training resources or the training decks, you can just take a look and download the slide decks from here. And I'll view one just to give you an example here. It'll just pull up the slide deck for you so you can walk through it, kind of revise the knowledge and so on and so forth. And then other docs, this will have a lot of really great and important documents for you. First being a product availability chart. If you're selling in multiple states, especially with telesales, this can be a really great resource to you. It'll outline all 50 states with all of our products and what's available where. So that way, if you're selling to someone in Florida and you're not sure what you have to offer them, you come to this document and you know you have cancer, heart, and stroke, you have hospital indemnity, but you don't have home health care or MedSup, you do have an annuity to write them as well. Another really great resource is this health talking points, which I actually already have pulled up here. This is going to outline the main benefits for the base plan and the riders for all of our health products. So a really great resource to you if you want to print off a copy, just to have one on hand and make sure that everything's all in the same place. So if you have any questions, this should give you the ability to answer it pretty quickly. And I have some slide decks that I may jump into here in a minute, but I think to kind of just do an overview of all of our products, this'll kind of outline everything we need to know. So starting with our cancer, heart attack, and stroke plan, issue ages here are 18 to 90 years old, and this is an issue age rated product. So that means that the rates are not increasing as the client ages. If they apply for this plan at 45 years old, they keep that 45-year-old rate for the lifetime of the policy. Again, it's not